Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Networking with Neaz Arefin. I hope you have been chilling as always. Today I will toss in a new tech problem, the fix and hands-on troubleshooting. So straight up, let's jump in. In this video, if you see, I have 4 monitors connected, but one of them is not getting signals or streaming. Don't worry about the laptop. The laptop is not connected to anything and running independently. So yeah, the 4th monitor, this one, is not streaming or getting signals from my desktop where I have Gigabyte Z590 AORUS Pro AX. Came into, I guess, 2021 or late 2021. A board made for Intel 9th and 10th gen PCs or CPUs. And I also have a NVIDIA Quad Pro P400 old gen GPU card that has 2 gig memory. It's a pretty old gen, but you know, it works for ad hoc stuff, video editing, etc. So this NVIDIA Quad Pro P400 has 3 mini video ports where the 3 running monitors are connected and they are streaming perfectly. However, the 4th one is connected directly in the Gigabyte Z590 motherboard. I have a full-size video port here. If you see, this is the one, but the monitor is not getting any signal. In the back of the monitor, I have this one connected to my Gigabyte Z590 motherboard, and this one is coming from the laptop, which is disconnected right now, so we are not worried about this one. The question is why this port coming directly from this Z590 motherboard is not streaming or getting signals. And that can happen for a few reasons, like if there is any abrupt shutdown or unplanned shutdown, any power outage, power cut, and you will see during the boot up that boot failure issue, and it will allow you to go to the BIOS, optimize the boot and a quick startup, and you will also notice the option optimize boot and a full reboot. But the challenge is the moment the BIOS will optimize the motherboard, that means it will bring it to the default settings. So all your manual settings will be reset to the default. And that is exactly forcing this monitor to shut down and not having any signals from the Z590 motherboard. Because it is forcing the NVIDIA Quad Pro P400 as the master GPU card while disabling or optimizing all GPU ports coming from motherboard. Reason why it is not getting any signals. That's a BIOS settings reinforcement. So steps are very simple. We're going to do a reboot right now, shutdown /R/T0, and then we'll hit enter. We'll wait for it. It says it's restarting, and we are going to hit del, no F8 or F12 or dot. If you see del for BIOS setup, that means delete. We're in the BIOS and advanced mode. The good part is that Gigabyte Z590 allows us to use mouse, and we can also use keyboard, of course. We'll go to settings and then we'll go to IO ports, hit enter. The only thing we need to see, Intel graphics. If you see, it is auto, so we are going to override it. Hit enter, enable. So one sentence, auto means optimize. That means BIOS will automatically choose the best option for better resolution. And since I have a GPU card, it is forcing that one only, disabling all other IO ports like video ports or HDMI ports. Every other port that is default to the motherboard, it will shut down those or maybe disable those. So we are going to override this. Enter, enable. So now we are forcing it to re-enable. Like in a Cisco firewall, switch or router, it is calling the interface like interface gig 0/0 no shut. The port will be immediately up, and that's exactly what we have done here. F10, let's see, hit yes, and we will wait for reboot. I see there is a difference now in the brightness. That means it is getting signal. Let's see, we'll just give it a minute. Okay, alhamdulillah, it is receiving signals now. All good. If this helped, hit subscribe for more real hands-on tech troubleshooting. Any questions, any thoughts, drop them in the comments. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next one.